Good morning, students. See this one. 2 square is 1 square plus 3. 3 square is 2 square plus 5. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So 2 square is 4. Then 3 square, it is 2 square plus 5. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 5, it is 9. So 3 square is 9. Then 4 square, you can write as 3 square plus 7. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So square of 4 is 16. So like this, write the next one. 5 square is equal to, how will you write this one? It is 4 square plus, here 3, 5, 7. Next one is 9. Here 1, 2, 3. Continuous way to go. Here it is, the odd numbers are added. So 5 square become 16. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. In other way also we can write this one. This is 1 square plus 3. So instead of 3, we can write as 1 plus 2. So 3 we can write as 1 plus 2. Same like here. It is 2 square plus 5 we can write as 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 2 square plus 5 is 9. Then 7. We can split into 3 plus 4. Then same like the next one. It is 4 square plus 9 we can write as 4 plus 5. So this is the pattern. 2 square is 1 square plus 1 plus 2. 2 square is 1 plus same one, then 1 is added. Then to find out 3 square, it is 2 square plus 2 plus 3. To find out 4 square, it is 3 square plus 3 plus 4. 5 square you can find out 4 square plus 4 plus 5. So if you continue the pattern like this, what is the answer of 21 square? 21 square we can write in this form. Yes, the previous one 5 square we wrote 4. So 21, the previous one is 20. 20 square plus the same number 20 plus the next number 21. So 21 square we can find out like this. Then what about 22 square? It is 21 square plus 21 plus 22. So 21 square is 20 square plus 20 plus 21. 22 square is 21 square plus 21 plus 22. See this one. It is 20 square means it is 400 plus 41. Then here, how will you find out this? So the answer you are getting as 441. So the square of 21 is 441. Then what about 22? 21 square. 21 square is this one. So 441 plus 21 plus 22. It is 43. So the answer you are getting 484. So square of 22 is 484. Square of 21 is 441. Then if you go through the last pattern, this one. Same like this pattern, you can write 21 square. 21 square is 20 square plus this one is together, that is 41. 41. So it is 22 square is 21 square plus this together 43. Okay. So to find out 25 square, how will you write? 24 square plus the pattern you should write down, that is 24 plus 25, it is 49. 51 square, how will you write? 51 square is equal to 50 square plus 50 plus 51. So this we can write as 2500. 5 square is 25. So square of 50 is 2500 plus 50 plus 51 is 101. So the answer you are getting as 2601. Square of 51 square is 2601. Then what about 101 square? 101 square is 100 square plus the previous one we should find out. 100 square plus 100 plus 101. So 100 square is 10,000 plus this is 201. So the answer you are getting 10,201. So easily, if you split like this, you can find out the square of the numbers. So remember this one, it is nearly, which is the easiest one. You should write out 101. First you know the square of 100. So and then 51 square. We know the square of 50. So it should be easy for you to find out. Then next one, it is 61 square. How you write 61 square? It is 60 square plus 60 plus 61. So 6 square is 36. So 3600 plus 60 plus 61 is how much? It is 121. So this together it is 3721. Square of 61 is 3721. Then find out the square of 121 square. How will you find out 121 square? Is 120 square plus 120 plus 121. So 12 square is how much? 144. Then 2 zeros should be added. So 120 plus 121 is 142. 241. 241 if we add it 1 4 6 4 so 14,641 we should get. So 51 square is 50 square plus 50 plus 51. 101 square is 100 square plus 100 plus 101. 61 square is 60 square plus 60 plus 61. 121 square is 120 square plus 120 plus 121. How will you find out the square of 1001? So it is 1000 square plus 1000 plus 1001. So what is the square of this? There are 3 zeros. Take the double. So 1 after 6 zeros plus this is 2001. So it should be 1 0 0 2 0 0 1. Next one, find out the square of 91 to 99. So 91 square we have to find out till 99 square we have to find out. 91 to 99 square we have to find out. So first 91 square we have to write is 90 square plus 90 plus 91. So 9 square is 81. 8,100 plus this is 181. So 1828. So 8,281 you are 92 square is equal to 91 square plus 91 plus 92. So 91 square you already find out. It is 8281 plus 91 plus 92. So it is 183. So 193 is added to this one. We will get 4 6 4 8. So 8,464. Same like the next one. 93 square is equal to 93 square is 92 square plus 92 plus 93. So it is 92 square you already find out 8464 plus 92 plus 93. It is 581. So that are 185. So 4 plus 9, 6 plus 8, 14, 5, 6, 8. So 8, 6, 4, 9. Same like you have to find out 94 square, 95 square, 96 square, 97 square, 98 square and 99 square. So like this we have to find out other squares also. Next one is fraction squares. How will you find out the square of fractions? See this one, 3 by 4 square. How will you write this one? It is 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. So it is 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16. So you are getting the square of 3 by 4 square is 9 by 16. What about 1 by 2 square? It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Next, 2 by 3 square. How do you find out? 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So it is 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9. So if it is multiplication, the denominator can multiply and numerator can be multiplied. So 2 by 3 square is 4 by 9. 7 by 3 square. So how will you find out the square? Find out the square of the numerator and find out the square of the denominator, both separated. So 7 by 3 into 7 by 3. So numerator is multiplied. 7 into 7, 40. That denominator is multiplied. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. So next, 1 by 5 is 5 square. 1 by 5 square is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 5, 25. Next, 1 by 2 square. How will you find out the mixed fraction? First you have to make into a normal fraction. 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 2 square. 1 into 2 plus 1. This is into, here it is plus. So 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3 you are getting. 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 by 2 square. So it is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Numerator and denominator is multiplied separately. Numerator is multiplied to 3 into 3, 9. Denominator is multiplied, we get 4. So 9 by 4 you are getting. Which of the fractions below are squares? Find out the squares from this. Or you can find out the perfect squares. You have to find out the fractions which are perfect squares. That means you can find out the square root of this one. Here see this one 4. If we take the square root of 4, we will get 2. But if we take square root of 15, we cannot get a root. So 15 is not a perfect square. So we cannot say, you can say that this fraction is not a square. We cannot find out the square root of 15. So this is not a perfect square. Then what about the second one? Here 9, if it is 3 into 3 it is 9, but 8 is not a perfect square. So 8, if we take the square root of 8, we cannot get any number. So that is not a perfect square. So this fraction is also not a perfect square. Then see here 16 by 25. 16 is square root of 4. 25 is square root of 5. So 4 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 is which are 16 by 25. Or we can write as 4 by 5 square is which one 16 by 24. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. So it's a perfect square. So both denominator and numerator having perfect squares. So this fraction is a perfect square. See the next one, 8 by 18. In both cases, numerator and denominator, it is not a perfect one. So 8, square root of 8, you cannot get a perfect number. And the square root of 18 also, you cannot get a perfect number. So this is not a perfect square. This fraction is not a perfect square. Then what about 4 by 9? Is it a perfect square? 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. So 2 by 3 whole square is 4 by 9. So it is a perfect square. What about this one? 2 1 by 4. 2 1 by 4 we can write as normal fraction. So 2 into 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. So 9 having a square root of 3. 4 having a square root of 2. So 9 by 4 we can write as 3 by 2 whole square. So this is a perfect square. See here, 2 1 by 4. You change it to normal fraction. 2 into 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Is it a perfect square or not? So 9 having a square root of 3. 4 having a square root of 2. So 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 2 is 4. So we can write as 3 by 2 square is 2 1 by 4. So it is a perfect square. See the next one, 4 1 by 9. 4 1 by 9, if we take it, we take the to normal fraction. 4 into 9, it is 36 plus 1, 37. 37 by 9. 37 having no square roots. So this is not a perfect square. So in this answer there should be only two answers. 2 1 by 4 and the previous one 16 by 25. These are the two answers we are getting as a perfect square. Others are not a perfect squares. This is also not a perfect square. So remember this one, denominator and numerator having a square root. 16 by 25. So 4 by 5 whole square. 16, we get a square root of 4. 25 square root of 5. So it is a perfect square.